Hello everybody, Seth Wilkinson with the SealRyt Corporation, manufacturers of the PackRyt bearing and high performance mechanical packing for the pump seal channel today to talk to you about a different configuration for our PackRyt bearing. Most people are familiar with our BLR, which is our bearing with the lantern ring machined into the bearing itself, and then our BRG, which is just a straight bearing, no lantern ring. Well, we do have a configuration for mechanical seals. So again, why would SealRyt be talking about mechanical seals? Well, to us, we want to provide a sealing solution for the many different types of configurations that are found in pumps and the sealing devices that are used to actually seal that pump. So we did develop one for the mechanical seal. That is called the ORM. So this is an O-ring mount bearing. It is split. Like all of our bearings, you can request them solid if you wish. What it's designed to do is to go into the stuffing box before the mechanical seal. Most faces of your mechanical seal are lapped to within 1 to 3 helium bands. What does that equate to in English? That's about 11 millionths of an inch. So you're looking at 11 to right around 34 millionths of an inch that these things are faced to. What does that mean for your pump? Well, and for your seal? Well, they're a little more susceptible to failure if you have any type of shaft movement. So that's what we base most of our products on, is stabilizing shaft movement. Well, this is the same. So we manufacture this to go in there, stabilize that shaft so that your mechanical seal has a nice steady environment to operate. Along with that, what that allows us to do is create a barrier inside here between the mechanical seal and the ORM to further protect it. So we're going to restrict movement of process across our bearing and into the stuffing box cavity where it could potentially get in between those faces. So it's another level of insurance for your mechanical seal and ensuring that it operates smoothly for as long as possible. Some of these processes, especially with mechanical seals, may be high pressure. That O-ring may not be adequate enough to keep it seated up against the bottom of the stuffing box. So we developed a locking collar. Again, these are split, as you can see, that goes around the shaft. So you'll put your ORM in, and then you'll put your locking collar in behind it. And it has a little Allen key here. Tighten this up, it expands, and it's a mechanical lock for that ORM, so that no matter what your process pressure is, it's not going to push that or unseat that ORM that's already at the bottom of the box, and then hitting the nose of your mechanical seal and causing all kinds of trouble. So this is upon request if you like. We do manufacture these so that we ensure that the shaft will not contact the surface of this locking collar. If your shaft happens to contact this, you got bigger problems that a PackRyt or a mechanical seal can't fix. So with that, this is one of the many configurations that we have. If you have any questions, please contact us here at SealRyt. Thank you.